So today I'm going to show you how I got this look, and I'm going to be using a lot of black Opal products because I won a contest about a couple months ago and they sent me a lot of products, but I also brought a lot of stuff too. So I already have primer on my face and I already color corrected underneath my eyes and around my top lip and lower lip. So what you see me doing now is putting a translucent powder on those areas that I use the color corrector. So I'm going in with this black Opal foundation stick in the color Truly Topaz, and I'm going to just apply that to my face. And I applied more than I normally would because the powder made it a little harder to glide over my face, so it was really grabbing that product. So taking this silly sponge, I'm going to use this to spread out the product all over my face. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in with the beauty blender to shear out the product and make it more even. In with another foundation stick in the shade All Chocolate, and I'm going to use that to contour around my face and to bring down some of the ashiness from where my base foundation stops. Using this Total Coverage concealer in the shade Carob, I am going to go over the areas that I did the first contour, and I'm using this just to deepen up the contour a little more. To brighten up my under eyes, I'm using this Even True concealer in the shade Sand. And I'm going to put that underneath my eyes and blend that out. To set my highlights, I'm using this Soft Velvet finishing powder in the shade Neutral Light to set my under eyes. Using another Soft Velvet finishing powder in the shade Dark, I'm using that to blend out those edges that I just highlighted. Using the Total Coverage concealer in the shade Heavenly Honey, I'm using that to clean up under the brow. I forgot to do that in the beginning. And just taking the first dark powder that I used, I'm going to use that for my nose contour using a small brush. And using the Soft Velvet finishing powder in the shade Deep, I'm going to use that to create a shadow on my eye. And so now that I'm pretty much finished with the face, I'm taking a beauty blender and I'm blending out any harsh lines that I see. Then I did a light dusting of translucent powder to set everything because this foundation can get oily. So off camera, I just added a little lipstick. It's from Wet n Wild, and the eyelashes and eyeliner was also done off camera, and I did those steps off camera because I wanted this to focus more on the complexion products from Black Opal. Thank you for watching this really simple complexion look. If you want to see anything else, make sure to write it down in the comment section below.